First, I'm going to start off by adding Mycira Fruit Wax, which is our vegan wax to help really blend the salve well together. I'm just going to pour it into our glass beaker. And next, I'm now adding our Callendula Oil, which has many benefits for the skin. It really helps soothe dry and irritated skin and helps relieve eczema, psoriasis, rashes. So it's really a great ingredient for the salve. And once I've poured that in, I'm just going to put this in my double boiler for about 30 seconds to really melt that wax and blend it well together with that calendula oil. And now that that's done, I'm adding our castor oil, which is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid. It really helps lock in that moisture in your skin. Now I'm going to be adding our carrot tissue oil, which is rich in vitamins. It's really great for helping with skin rejuvenation. Now I'm adding our blend of essential oils, which include frankincense, benzoin, rose, which are all really great for helping soothe the skin, helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It also had vitamin E in there, which is a very powerful antioxidant. And I'm just going to keep stirring this well together to make sure that it blends really well. All the oils and waxes are really blended together. And I'm going to keep doing this until it cools down. And now I'm going to let it rest for about 2 hours so that it gets that nice thick consistency, as you can see right now. It's really nice jelly-like consistency, and it's beautiful orange color, especially comes from that carrot tissue oil. And like I said earlier, it's really powerful with a lot of vitamins in there. So the skin salve really helps heal the skin, especially right now when we're using more and more hand sanitizers. It's really like we have a lot of like dry, irritated skin, really helps soothe that. Now I'm just going to pour it into my little container. And you can see how well that consistency is. It just kind of pours really nicely and smoothly in there. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe. If you'd like to check out more of our products, you can see the description box below or visit our website at www.artisanbaths.com. Have a good day. Bye.